5 little frogs sat on a log by a cool and misty bog, eating bugs in the warm sunshine, feeling happy, feeling fine. Mama Frog said, "Ribbit, ribbit, stay close by and never split it." But with a splash and a happy hop, one little frog went care-plop. 4 little frogs sat on a log, watching dragonflies zig and jog. Sticky tongues went flick, 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 catching bugs so fast and quick. Mama Frog said, "Ribbit, ribbit, don't jump far, you mustn't quit it." But splash went the water with a happy plop. Now there were only 3 on the log top. 3 little frogs sat in the sun, croaking songs and having fun. Green and shiny, bright and small, leaping high and standing tall. Mama Frog said, "Ribbit, ribbit, stay together every minute." But with a giggle and a hop, one more frog went care-plop. 2 little frogs sat side by side, looking at ripples in the tide, watching fish swim to and fro in the pond that shone below. Mama Frog said, "Ribbit, ribbit, please don't leap and flip it." But splash went one with a happy drop, leaving just one on the log top. 1 little frog sat all alone on the log near smooth gray stone, croaking softly, looking around, listening to each little sound. Mama Frog said, "Ribbit, ribbit, come back now and don't forget it." With one big jump and a funny flop, that last little frog went kerplop. Mama Frog sat on the loam, looking out across the bog. Ribbit, ribbit, loud and clear, calling her froggies far and near. From the water came a sound, tiny splashes all around. Little heads began to pop, one by one they hop, hop, hop. 5 little frogs swam in a line, climbing back up, feeling fine. Wet and shiny, green and bright, giggling in the fading light. Mama Frog smiled big and wide as they gathered by her side. Back upon the log they sat, happy frogs all plump and fat. 5 little frogs at end of day, croaking softly as they lay. Moonlight shining on the pond, fireflies glowing just beyond. Tomorrow they will leap and play in the bog not far away. But when Mama calls, "Ribbit, ribbit," all 5 frogs come back in a minute.